Hey guys, me again. In 2003, we got a shitty ass remake by Michael Bay. And then 2006, we got a prequel to that shitty ass remake. With this being shit too. I did not care for these two films. It was a long time. The last Texas Chainsaw Massacre was good to me. It was Next Generation to 2013. A movie called Texas Chainsaw 3D. Well, you know, it's Texas Chainsaw Massacre 3D, but yeah, this is it. Nowhere's for all the movie stuff for the first one. So yeah, it picks up with the original one left off, and a gun shooting happens, and her house burns down, and this guy finds a baby and kidnaps her. And then her grandmother tracks her down after all these years and left her house because she died. And then her and her friends decided to go up to the house to check it out and all. And right before they were going to like Lance or something, and they hit this guy and let him come. And they hit him and bring him along. And then they go up to the house, check it out. You know. And you know what all happens in these films. Like, characters start to die one by one. They leave the hitchhiker there that they just met. Didn't make perfect sense, you know. I wouldn't leave a hitchhiker to my brand new house I just got. Then he robs him, goes downstairs, and Leatherface shows up, kills him. Then they just think he left, and the other guy, he goes downstairs, gets killed. And then they see him, and Heather comes and picks up her two friends, and they smash through a gate, get a tire slashed, bump, roll over, kill Trey Songz. He did an okay job. And then the one girl leaves, and Top goes to investigate, and Leatherface runs through, like a field, carnival and stuff. Should have been kills there, but they ran out of money. So then she gets taken back to the police station, finding out that was her brother, and what they did to his family all those years ago. And then they take her up to her slaughterhouse, plan to kill her, and then she gets away, and the people there, and she throws the chainsaw to Leatherface to kill him, cause yeah, that's pretty much it. And she just takes him home, and it's a happy ever after. You know. Yeah, but this ain't as bad. It's better than the two Michael Bay ones. It's better than Next Gen, and it's better than Leatherface, I think. Yeah, things I did like about it, I liked seeing, like, Gunnar Hansen, Leon Burns, John Duke made a cameo in here, and Bill Moseley. That was pretty cool. And seeing the old house again, that was pretty cool. So yeah, this film was in 3D, but I didn't see it in 3D. So yeah. Tomorrow will be our final series, guys. 8 films. 8 films left. So, see you tomorrow.